This is fire. Dude, there's syrup in here with butter already. That's awesome.
Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors with a woo up top. If you busy plotting on what I got, kick in your door, that's what you got. $100,000 on the table top. Price my whip, same price my watch. Got no joker, but I bought.
Early morning today.
What's going on, guys?
Everything closed pretty early last night, but we made it out here to Yoshio Factory. I guess there's a lot of S chassis here, a lot of S15s that drift, and they do a lot of tuning here. So we're gonna check that out. Hopefully it's open. Let's see. Oh damn! Hella spacers.
Half the dash out. Shit.
Every car here has real wheels. Does it have spacers? No, it doesn't. Hell yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Oh, yeah. They are open. S chassis game. I don't know. He was gonna go inside, I guess, and check something out. Did you speak English? A little bit. Spoke a little bit of English. Look at all these F15s here. Gorgeous. Everybody's running like double spacer. Look like the camber up front. Crazy. That's the battle stance though. That's probably their color, pink. But I don't want to like invade their privacy, like just sticking a camera in their face. Definitely a drift spot. All the chunked up tires. So he said, yeah, we could take a look around. So thank goodness for Google Translate. But let's go take a look inside. This is one thing I always notice. A lot of them put the toe strap right there, so it's a lot easier than dragging it up front. But got the kooky S14 out here. It's nice. Damn. See, everything's hot pink. This could be Benny right here, but he likes to crash into things. So clean. Yeah, so this is definitely like their color. Guess they got some stuff here for sale that they're gonna be putting out. Oh, Dan jumped on. He's about to buy some stuff.
Any more?
Trying to get swole out here. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see. Ooh, GT86. Nice. Definitely a nice guy, letting us buy stuff. Let me go around through here. Oh, I like this. The little latch for the gas tank. I don't know if you guys try to fit this in through there. Had to go real quick to 7-Eleven, get some change because all I had were 50s and 100s. But got food and got change to buy some stuff. Got myself a little Yoshio Factory sticker. You got a sticker too? Got some goodies. Be heading to another up garage and maybe a GT86 place. Just trying to see what's open today, because for some reason the hours are all different. Like they're scattered everywhere. But the first up garage we went to was closed. But I need to get some more like souvenirs and stuff like that. So we'll be heading back into Tokyo and getting some more souvenirs. We're here at DreamWorks. Oh, he's turning in here. Right. At DreamWorks, but Dan had a good eye and saw a parking lot over here of cool cars. Got Sylvia, R33, FD, FD, Miata, or Roadster they're called over here. Drift Ready Kooky. Oh look, oh that actually looks good. This thing is nice. Damn, makes me want to kit my 240. Alright, let's see what else we got over here. We got an FD over here. A lot of FDs. Oh, they got a 180 back there. And a Pulsar. Got R33 right here. I think just GTST. Yep, GTST. Got the FD. Got a Pulsar. Ugh. Ooh, I like this color. That's 14 seats. This is definitely the employee or customer parking lot. Got the oil cooler in the back here. Yeah, they're working on this. Oh man. Oh, this is the DreamWorks place right here, but thing is just a regular garage. We were hoping you could buy parts here, but
The round ones?
yeah.
I'll trade you a
So
square
shout
one
out
for
to DreamWorks. They literally just came and
gave us some free shift knobs, and now they're gonna give us some
some company stickers. So that's awesome.
Oh no, that's oh no, they do.
Got my R34 over there, spelling.
Can do that?
Yeah. Let's go look inside the car.
We got RX-7 on the dyno here. Got a couple Lotuses here. R34 just chilling in the back. And FDs. There's so many FDs out here. Got coilovers and everything. Thank you very much. Thank you. Alright, let's go check out some other. I think it was at A86 place? Oh yeah, let me see how they look.
Imagination
Oh, that's
comes
awesome.
true.
Hell yeah. That's sick.
I want a white one.
That's all we need. Can we tour in Japanese? This is awesome. Look at that flatbed. Oh, look at the inside of this. The race pack up there. They're moving everything, moving all around. It's crazy because one of them are for about $2,400, and in the States, they're going for about $13,000, like state titled and everything. Crazy. But guess they're getting ready to transport one of the Corollas. See, the hours here are so crazy because you have some shops that are open, some shops that are about to close, and all the hours vary. This right here would make it so much easier going to drift events. Like, look at this. That setup is sick. Oh, we got the okay to go and take a little tour, so. And this place is actually long. Got an FD up there, another A86 in the back over there. Weldon. All right.
Oh,
No, Bolton. No, never mind. Retract that statement. Damn. So nice in here. Everybody's busy getting to work. Just staying quiet in here. Not trying to be a bother to nobody. You got the okay for one of the guys. Everybody's so nice here. Like, even though it seems like they're busy and we might be a bother, but they're very welcoming. Yeah. All the kits up here. So he let us go up here. It's a little shop where they sell stuff. Yeah, they got everything in here. It's awesome. Ryan, I know you're watching this. You would love this place. A86 Heaven.
They got a couple of Keiichi Tsuchiya cars signed.
Really? Hey.
Signed? Yeah, this one's signed over here.
Oh my goodness, they're all stacked up. Car's getting towed. Nah, but we parked somewhere where we should. So that's the end of this trip here. And I don't know, on to the next place. Yeah, still gotta go to an up garage and get some stuff. Reenacted, guys.
wow. It's on planks.
Down to the T. We're back here at Sensoji Temple, whole marketplace area where we could get souvenirs, food, and everything. Last night it was closed, but now everything's open. Whole lot of people, whole lot of walking.
Look at that meeting.
No space.
Yeah, this is like one of the more spicier ones.
Yep. This is good. Thumbs up. Alright, yeah, this is the whole temple area here. There's a lot of people, a lot of stores too. Souvenirs, literally souvenirs everywhere. It's literally all the same stuff. You just gotta look for the right price, haggle them down a little bit. And then here you have the whole inside. Everything's gold. Not supposed to be videotaping. And then it's like a wishing well. Make a blessing, or pray for a blessing. Then make our way back. Once again, the Japanese have perfected this. I'm addicted to these. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much the end of our trip here in Japan. It's a beautiful day out, early morning. Gotta make our way back to the airport. I'm just getting a little bit of stuff here, like a little bit of coffees and some other little souvenir things. But hope you guys enjoyed all the videos from Ebisu, Tokyo, and all that good stuff. Don't worry, there's plenty more things to come when I get back home. Right away, we have to go to a drift event. 240 is being tuned, and we're gonna crank that up, get that ready for the drift event as well. So hope you guys enjoyed everything. Like always, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.